We are pleased to show you the 2016 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.